Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Citibank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Citibank and start your search. Now, once you find the Citibank application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Citibank application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Citibank application on your smartphone. And once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create your new account or log into your existing account to directly start banking from your phone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Citibank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.